Hai teman-teman, kali ini kita bakalan lebih fokus ke sesuatu yang paling sering ketemu di soal TOEFL, yaitu present participles. Nah, kalau ada present participles, artinya juga ada past participles dong. Yap, benar sekali. Present participle sesederhana mungkin bisa kita terjemahkan sebagai penjelas atau aktivitas yang dilakukan sama subjek, tetapi dia bukan merupakan predikat utama. Nah, dia hanya penjelas. Oke, mari kita bedakan ya antara penjelas dalam hal ini menjadi adjective ya dengan dia menjadi kata kerja utama. Nah, ini akan beda banget nih artinya. Oke, kita lihat di soal nomor 1 dan nomor 2. Ops, saya akan bacakan dulu ya. Ini petunjuk soalnya ngapain. Each of the following sentences contains one or more present participles. Underline the subjects one and the verbs twice. Circle the present participles and label them as adjectives or verbs. Then indicate if the sentence are correct. C or incorrect. I. Perhatikan soal nomor 1 dan 2. Lihat yang dilingkari. Ada yang diberi tanda adjective, ada yang diberi tanda verb. Ya, present participles-nya memiliki fungsi adjective atau verb. Tetapi yang paling sering membuat kita bingung adalah kok bisa ya tiba-tiba nempel present participles di situ? Partisip aktif ini memang sering muncul di dalam pembelajaran intermediate up karena itu lebih menyederhanakan kalimat yang kita buat. Kalau kita baca jurnal, kita bakalan sering ketemu ini ya, supaya tidak terlalu banyak memakai conjunction atau menjadikan kalimat menjadi kalimat kompleks. Oke, nah kalimat kita tidak kalimat kompleks, tetapi sudah bermakna seperti kalimat kompleks hanya dengan menjadikan present participles muncul di situ tanpa menggunakan conjunction. Oke, kalau kamu belum paham, nanti bisa diulang-ulang ya video ini. Look at number 1. The companies offering the lowest prices will have the most customers. Perusahaan yang menawarkan the lowest prices will have the most customers. Perusahaan yang menawarkan, biasanya kita membuat kalimat dalam bentuk majemuk atau dalam bentuk kompleks, bukan? The companies that offer, right? Jadi companies yang mana? Yang nawarin. Companies yang nawarin. Nah, di sini present participles-nya menyederhanakan dan menghilangkan conjunction which atau that yang selayaknya muncul di dalam kalimat kompleks. Sehingga kalimat yang biasa kita dengar, the companies that offer the lowest prices will have the most customers, menjadi the companies offering the lowest prices will have the most customers. Do you understand? And I really do hope that you get it. So this sentence is correct because it has subject, it has also predicate. Here we get the verb will have, and we also have a correct present participle. Look at number 2. Those travelers are completing their trip on Delta should report to gate 3. Now look at this. Why it is incorrect? Okay, why it is incorrect? Can you answer why? Yes, right. When you get number 2 here, there should be no R. Lihat, kalau kita pakai R di sini, maka kita akan menggarisbawahi sehingga dia jadi verb. Nah, sementara kita juga punya verb should report, ya kan? Either kita hilangkan R-nya, kita hilangkan sehingga those travelers completing their trip, maka kalimat kita benar, atau kita pakai who are completing, atau kita kasih conjunction di situ. Nah, di dalam bahasa Inggris semakin canggih pembelajaran yang kita ambil atau semakin kita paham, maka semakin advance sesungguhnya semakin sederhana, yaitu conjunction-nya hilang ya, dan seharusnya di sini nggak usah aja ada. Kalau ada ya jadinya kalimat kita tidak benar atau incorrect. Okay, so the correct sentence should be those travelers completing their trip on Delta should report to gate 3. Do you get it? Yes, that is right. I'm happy that you understand. Let's move on to number 3. The artisans were demonstrating various handicrafts at booths throughout the fair. Nah, perhatikan nih. Ini punya present participles yang dimaksud seperti di soal nomor 1 nggak ya? Tapi apakah ada subjeknya? Yes, benar, ada subjek. Apakah ada verb? Yes, kita ketemu were demonstrating. Wah. Lalu kita ketemu participle nggak? We don't find it. We don't find it as adjective. Okay. Yang kita ketemu di sini partisipalnya demonstrating, tetapi dia berupa apa? Berupa verb dari were demonstrating. Ya. Oke. Bagaimana kalimatnya? Apakah sudah benar? The artisans were demonstrating various handicrafts at booths throughout the fair. Exactly, that is correct. Yes, you are right. This has the subject. This also has the predicate. Okay, great. How about we move on to number 4? Let me read it for you. The fraternities are giving the wildest parties attract the most new pledges. Okay, be careful. Let's see this. Do we have the verb? Wait, do we have the subject? Yes, we have. Okay. Do we have the verb? Yes, we have. Are giving. Ya, ini kita garis 2 ya, teman-teman. Okay. Do we have participles? Yes, but this is also a verb. Okay. Do we also have other verb? Yeah, we have it. Now we have 2 verbs. Let's pay attention. Let's find and indicate whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. We already have verb, but why do we always find it is strange to read it, right? Because we find 2 verbs here and one of them actually is not correct. It is just like number 2, we shouldn't have got are there, so it should be the fraternities giving the wildest parties attract the most new pledges. So this is not correct. How about number 5? The first team winning 4 games is awarded the championship. We have first team. This is the subject. Okay, and we have present participle. What is it? Yep, that's right. This is an adjective. Four games is awarded. Okay, this is the verb. The championship. Okay, The first team winning 4 games is awarded the championship. Do you think this is correct or incorrect sentence? Yes, that is right. We already have a correct subject, correct verb, correct placing of participles, which then it means the adjective for it. And the sentence is right. Congratulations. I hope that you understand and you can share to your friend. And you can also like and also comment. You can ask questions to us, DM us for more question and more material. I hope that your score can be having so high that you are happy about it. See you again.